Same degree, but one job pays you 12 lakh per annum and another job pays you 3 lakh per annum. MSc and biotechnology, now truth to be told, both the jobs have equal weightage in the both pharma and biotech world. So then why QA and QC pays only 3 to 4 lakh per annum and while research job starts at 12 lakh per annum? So what is the difference? Let's try to understand. Same QA QC is a job where you're not doing anything new. It requires same repetitive work and hiring happens in bulk because of compliance. It requires lot of QA QC job. So it's easy to get a QA QC job when compared to R&D job, and this is the first thing you should know. Coming to R&D, R&D jobs are less. So in this bulk hiring never happens. So therefore it might take years to get there. And right after your MSc degree, you have to do projects, learn about bioinformatics, computational biology, and also you should publish your own research paper in high impact journal. And then you would be able to get that job. The comparison is just like a helicopter, which can take off immediately, and a supersonic plane, which requires a longer runway. That's the difference, and that's why salary is also different. So QA QC job is easier, faster, and bulk hiring happens. So in any pharma and biotech company, you can easily get in if there's a manufacturing plant. So having said that, you have to keep in mind that R&D jobs are rewarding. R&D jobs have growth, but in QA and QC, if you start with lower salary, still you can grow faster because with seniority you will become a team leader or manager, and hence once your experience increases, your seniority increases, and therefore your salary increases as well. However, in R&D we have a different tool set. That is, what was your impact, how many papers did you publish, what quality work have you done. So that decides your growth. And of course, R&D is exciting, but if you want a stable career, QA and QC is also not bad. However, so let me know in the comment section what you would like to know more about QA and QC and R&D. So I would make a detailed video on that. So till then, follow for more.